Bitcoin last week in 2023. Bitcoin is currently at resistance. Will it break the resistance or will it test lower? How will the last week of 2023 looks like? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, BFIT, BAKERYTOKEN USDT, also known as Bake USDT, MOONRIVER USDT, PROSUS and ETHEREUM USDT. So if you have any requests, just leave it down in the comments below and I might chart it in the next episode. Also, if you're still not a member of Team NakedTrader, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button and join the club so you don't miss out. And for now, let's start at the weekly crypto performance. It was a nice green week, as you can see. Big numbers, near 57%, Solana more than 50%, Mina, Say, Corgi, what is this? Corgi, more than 44%, Algo, Rose, almost everything went up, only a few went down, Tau, 15%. And if we take a look at the daily sentiment, also more green than red, so very nice today. And from here, let's go to the coin market cap. Currently a market cap of 1.68 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 55.45 billion, so it's getting less. And current fear and greed sentiment is indicated at 74, which indicates greed. Okay. And the top 10 coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Binance, Ripple, Cardano, Avalanche and Dogecoin. And in about 108 days the whole thing will be there. So that might cause some price action. And from here, let's kick off to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall, this week was a slightly green week also. Microsoft went up more than 1%, Google went up more than 6%, Meta 5.51%, Amazon, Apple went down. So overall, a green week. And what will happen the last week of the year, we will see. And now I will kick off with the weekly chart of Bitcoin USDT. This week was also a green week. Last week we closed red, tried to hold above and currently at the resistance level of 44,000. So I will show the weekly levels. And let's change to the daily. And I will make last week's plan visible. So we still held support of 41,000. Last week I told that I was not a fan to play a second test of the level because there's more risk involved, and now it's rejecting again at 44,000 so far. But this play is still in. That was actually the play from 2 weeks ago, I think. So either what will happen the coming days, either we will go up, test about 49,000, pullback with an entry around 44,250. So this one is still valid. This one, yeah, that will be changed into this one. So let me remove this one. This one will change into, if we reject, then yeah, either it will go back here at 38,000 or lower, here around 34,000. So that is this scenario, original, and this scenario. So all still in play. Yeah, so that's the plan for Bitcoin the coming days. From Bitcoin, I will go to BFIT. This is an old post of me from December the 11th in 2022. So if you played the entry here at 22.40, then you could have had a profit of 77%. Yeah, so very nice. I will post a link in the description so you can check it out if you like. And for now, let's make a new analyze. Let me start with a clean chart. Currently at the weekly. So the weekly tested this area here. Now trying to go up. Let me add some levels. I will change to the daily. Here was the drop off from $28. We went down to $24. On the daily time frame, we see the uptrend here. Low, high, higher low, higher high, and now trying to hold another higher low here for the next push there. Okay, I will change to the weekly and make a plan for the coming days or weeks. So if we keep rejecting here at $28, then we will go back probably to $20 and trying to go up from there. If BASIC managed to break the $28 and let's say a test of $34, then you can enter on the pullback around $28, aiming for 38 and higher. If it loses support here at $20, then the next test will be around $16. And if it creates a new higher high at the weekly, probably a test of $42, then you can enter more aggressive around $34, aiming for a new all-time high. So 4 possible scenarios for a basic fit, and from basic fit I will go to Bake USDT, starting at the weekly chart. I've posted this one probably somewhere in August 16. So as you can see, if you play the entry here, the defensive entry of 9 cent, 9.45 cent, then you could have had more than 500%, so about 516%. Congratulations, peeps. I hope you took some profits. I will post a link in the description so you can check the full analysis if you like. Also, if you didn't play this one, but here, look, this scenario also played out. That is the same. we had daily gains of the whole area, pullback with an entry here at 11.5. And if you played the more secure play, the safest play, then you could have had also about 400% profits. Also congratulations. That's why we draw scenarios. If this, then that. It always repeats itself. And for now I would like to start with a clean chart. And let me start at the weekly. Okay. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. Okay. So let's change to the 4-hour. This one is already played. Yeah. This candle is the 4-hour gain of the whole area here. And the test. Okay, let's change to the daily again. Okay, let's make some scenarios for the coming days. So either the aggressive entry here at 35 cents and then aiming to break the 62 cent, aiming for the 99 cent and higher. Or the more defensive entry, and that's the entry between 22 and 27 cents, aiming for 49 cents and higher. So the aggressive play with the first target point of 40%, second target point 75%, third target point 183, and the more defensive play, first target point 42%, second target point 100%, and then I should skip the 62 and go for this one, about 304%. And if it continues to go up, so imagine that it tests 99 cents from here, then a pullback with a very aggressive entry here at 49 cents, aiming for higher levels. So 3 possible scenarios for Bake USDT. And from Bake I will go to MOONRIVER. Starting at the weekly chart, nice green week. We are leaving the area, the consolidation zone. Yeah, let's go back to the weekly and draw some levels. Here we had support at $45 and here it is resistance. Okay, let's go back to the daily, to the 4-hour. Okay. So either an entry here at $18, aiming to break the $45, or the more defensive play, that is the entry at $10, trying to go up from there. Yeah. And if it managed to break the $45 from here, pull back, aggressive entry at $45, aiming for $84. So 3 possible scenarios for MOONRIVER USDT. And from MOONRIVER I will go to PROSUS, starting at the weekly chart. Currently red week, red candle. Next week will be important. Will it regain the area, yes or no? Or will it print a weekly loss? Okay. From the weekly I will change to the daily. We do have a daily loss of the $25. Okay, let's go back to the weekly. So drop off from the $30. Okay, holding here. If we can print a weekly gain of the $30 and let's say test $33, then you can enter around 29, aggressive play. aiming for 38. If it rejects here at $29, then we will probably see lower levels. Let's say here between $20 and $21, trying to go up from there. And if it goes straight down from here, then we will probably see also somewhere between 19 and 20, trying to go up from there. But keep in mind, if it loses support at $19, then it is a free fall and we will see new all-time lows. So 4 possible scenarios for PROSUS, and from PROSUS I will go to Ethereum, starting at the weekly chart, also green week. Think it's slightly behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more at the resistance than Ethereum. Currently about 12 hours to close today's candle. Yeah, the resistance of 2,388, but currently it is at 2,288. Let's change to the daily and make last week's plan visible. And for Ethereum is similar than Bitcoin. This one is still in play. And last week I recommend to not play the test of the test. But if you're still in the first test, then you're still in profit also. So either we will go up here, test the 2500. This one is also still in play. The rejection of 2300, retracement, pullback here with entry around 2000, and then aiming to break the 2320. This one also still in play. If we test the 2500, pullback with entry around 2220, and this one also still in play. If we lose support of 2000, then the next entry will probably be around 1845. So all scenarios still in play. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy the Christmas holiday and see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Laters.